Welcome back to Broken and Smoking. I'm not going to be able to get a video out this week of working on anything other than my shop. Show you a little bit of what we're doing. Me and my little critters out here today. We're reorganizing, picking up.
Oh, your junk.
Yeah, my junk. And the first time since this shop has been built, we are actually trying to organize it so when we pull something out, we can put it back to where it needs to go. With that being said, we'll just give you a quick little walk around, see just what I got piled up. I mean, you can obviously see behind me here with the piles of crap that's just stacked to the ceiling. So right out of the gate, you know, I still got tools scattered everywhere. LSD over there, it still hasn't even been unpacked yet. Kids got me this for my birthday. It's like a four-legged spider is what my oldest critter said. Pieces of steel, you know, oh, and all this lumber. I'll show you what I got planned for this lumber here just shortly. Pick me up this fan because it's quieter than the big fans. And all of this is still piled up because this section right here is what I'm basically focusing on right now. I'm wanting to put a partition wall up, probably right in here, and that way I can keep my tire machine and bouncer over here on this side of the wall to keep the grinding dust, sparks, splatter, you know, all that good stuff off the good equipment. And I could also have stuff that don't need to be dirty on this side of the wall. These things here that you've seen in the background for so long, them are going to be cabinets one day. And that one day is going to be one day soon. So I'm thinking I'm going to have one on each side of the partition wall, which is going to be probably right there where that truss is. We'll see when I get there. It might be on both on one side. I don't know. Plans change. Picked this thing up from my boss, and I'm planning on putting all the loose, small pieces of steel in here and cover it up. Then I can take this table. So this has actually got a tabletop welded to another table. I'm planning on cutting this off eventually and putting 4 more legs on that. Then I can put a plate on the bottom section so I can get 2 tables out of one to use somewhere. Of course, I got that one over there. It's got engine parts and stuff still on. I need to get it over in my white building. And get back here, we got to get that small block eventually into here so we can get this thing mobile, because you know the crew cab project, we're going to have room and organization. I think organization is more key than anything. We got some shelves that we went ahead and did some slight organization over here. You know, when you're trying to organize something, it's still going to rearranged.
Like big junky stuff, kind of when you're working on it.
Do what?
It's kind of like still going to be junky when
you're working on it. Oh yeah, it's definitely going to be junky when we're working on it.
Yeah.
Another project I need to do is all these things here. You know, I picked them up from Harbor Freight, and they're quite handy to put all your small pieces in. I can't tell you what all I've got. I got from brass fittings to air fittings, welding supplies. I've got auto brake line fittings. I got all sorts. I kind of have them categorized. There's one with screws.
Categorized. Categorized.
How else do you say that?
Categorized.
Sure. Well, I'm wanting to put them in some sort of, I had to build something for them, some sort of stand that goes up, and possibly with casters, and that'll be a project. And then of course this press here, it'll throw your back out every time you use it because it's designed for vertically challenged folks. So I need to put like a 4-foot lift kit on this, get it up in the rafters some more. What am I missing here, MJ?
That area, your cans.
Oh yeah, I got all kinds of spray cans and whatnot over there on them shelves over there, which I also have some cabinets to store aerosols in. I gotta hang them somewhere. But we're getting it slowly but surely. There's gonna be some things like tools we're gonna have to repair, tools we're gonna have to make. I got an old tractor seat over here. I'm wanting to make like a little walk around or a roll around creeper type deal, you know,
Oh, Lord.
to use it. There's gonna be several things we're gonna have to get done before we start on this next project. I've got all these Ford parts down here. It came off of LSD. Factory radiator, evaporator, or the condenser for the AC. There's an AC compressor. So I mean, if you're a Ford fan and you're needing some Ford parts, there's brakes. They're all drum, of course. But let me know. Comment me. I might help you out. I mean, they're too good to throw away. Obviously, I don't throw anything away. But I don't want to lay them on fence row yet because somebody might need them. What, you gonna say something?
Yeah, he really cares. He's gonna have to really care for them before he throws them into the junkyard, basically.
Yeah, really care for them?
Yeah.
You mean not care for them?
Yeah.
I'm going to really not care for them before I throw them out there. That's right. Then don't forget, we've got this 283 still on the stand. That in there was the boat anchor one. Still may have plans for that. I don't know yet. I got to talk to the owner. But we're going to be putting this engine. Needs to say, I've got a lot of engines to be installations in.
Some weird word.
And I'm already tired thinking about it. Because, you know, I mean, what's the fun of installing an engine? There really ain't nothing. You just install it and put a bunch of bolts in. It's boring. So we got some fab stuff coming up. Don't worry. Yeah, here's another area I got crap just laid up. Now, originally, you remember I had a mountain of boxes over there. I done got all them burnt. Still got a few boxes because, you know, you might need to store parts in some of them.
There's another one of those.
Yeah, another one of them right down there that I had out for something.
They're spread out everywhere.
Well, I know it. It's like the boat bins. I'm wanting to move the boat bins under the TV. That way I can put my toolbox over here on this side. I have, I think, one more of those type of shelves over in the white building. I don't know if I might put that one back in the white building because I got a closed door one over there that I can bring over here. And on this 3-in-1 deal, this will definitely probably be a video because I had to make a quick bracket and I put a little bit too much into it and it broke plumb clean in half. So I'm gonna have to take this off, carry it to work. I'm not gonna repair it because it's cast. I'm gonna build something out of either cold roll or hot roll. Probably cold roll, since cold roll's got better edges on it than hot roll for this particular deal. But I mean, I even broke my cutting edge. So I'm gonna have to buy a piece of tool steel too. And I may get something I don't even know how thick it is.
It's pretty thick.
Oh yeah, it ain't very thick at all. I'll probably buy a piece a lot thicker. And that way it's stronger, and I can take it and get it sharpened when it needs sharpened. Because you know, machining and tooling die work, I've got access to it. And it definitely have its benefits, because like I say in the past, I don't know how anybody, and I mean anybody, works on anything without access to a machine shop. Because it seems the quality has went ever since COVID-19.
Yeah.
Well, is that about it?
Yeah.
Guess that's about it. So I just wanted to give y'all a reason why I'm not gonna have nothing posted this week other than what I got. I hope everybody had a great 4th of July. Hope they didn't get burnt too bad. Did you have a good 4th?
I did.
Yeah, we had a good 4th.
We did.
And that's another thing, you know, when you're going to these different gets-togethers, you know, it takes time away too, but you got to make time for friends and family. So I came over here and started cleaning everything out. And you know, we got this open area right here on this cabinet. And since I'm planning on storing all this steel, I think I'm gonna come in, get the old plasma, and just hack these out right across here, and use this to, you know, to support that. And we'll have exactly 5 foot of storage on this side for our longer steel, because we do have some longer pieces that we'll probably utilize that space for. So no matter how long it takes now, I might as well do it and get it over with. That way I'm not stopping in the middle of another project or piling it up again. At least now we'll have it somewhat organized. And just like that, I done worked up a sweat, but we got 5 foot of storage right up there. Sliced them out, stacked them up. Wasn't enough to go to the top, but it'll do. Probably took 30 minutes. 30 minutes that would have probably fought me for a long time if I wouldn't went ahead and done it. Whew, never mind my perfect hair, my bald head. But after 3 heat strokes later, we finally got this area cleaned up. Wall stood up, squared off, and now I need to go up there and tie it to the rafters. And so we're getting somewhere, slowly but surely. And we can do so many activities in here now. But I'm too wore out to dance. Oh boy, my shirt's slopping wet. We got to get some organization. And if I didn't mention earlier, I have been buying cabinets over the past couple of years at estate sales, yard sales, all that good stuff, just to do this. And we finally it's finally came time to do that for obvious reasons. It sucks pulling crap out, not having stuff or nowhere to work and having to keep stuff laying around. At least this way we'll be able to be like the 5S, you know, that the factories use, if y'all know what that means. Whew. Well, I'm about to take me a break under the fan. So I am going to chime in here right quick, because I'm going to show you how I attach this lumber to the concrete without using anything other than a few nails. But you do have to have a masonry bit. Other than that, that's it. So let me get you set up. All right, so we're gonna take and drill right through everything. And remind you, I've already got this leveled up. And that's about as deep as I can go with it right now. Now, take 2 nails. I think these are considered what, 16 penny? Stick them in there and start driving them home. You can hear and feel when it hits the concrete. That ain't going nowhere, even though it didn't drive all the way in. I've been doing it like this for a while and I ain't never had no problems. Is it the right way? Nope. Do I care? Nope. So we're gonna continue this the rest of the way out.